Hey guys, it's Serena and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I got a package from Mercier. They sent me a couple of things, so I'm just going to show you guys a little makeup tutorial on it. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Since they sent me like base things, I already did my eyeshadow, eyeliner, and eyebrows and mascara, so that's why that's already done. But we're gonna first start off with a face mask, and they sent me this Flawless Skin Infusion Rose Moisturizing Glow Mask. This is how it looks. I'll leave it for 10 minutes. And instead of washing it off, you wipe it off with like a tissue. So I'm gonna get that fast. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I don't think I have a brush to use though. This is how it looks, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like rose, obviously, because it is, but yeah. So this is how the mask looks. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna come back and show you guys. So it's been on for 10 minutes, so now I'm just going to grab a cotton pad and I'm just going to wipe it off. And then it said with the excess to just rub it in, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is the last like skincare thing, like preparation. This is the primer. This is the foundation primer hydrating. Okay, and I'm just going to prime my face. So now that I'm finished putting on my primer, I'm gonna go ahead and off camera do my foundation and concealer because the next step is powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I put my foundation and concealer on, and I used the, oops, I gotta turn off the music. I used the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint foundation, so it's really light coverage. And then for my concealer, I use the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple. So the next thing that we're gonna try, I already use this and I use it all the time and I really like it, but I use this with the Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder because this one's a little too shimmery like by itself. But this is the translucent loose setting powder, but this is the glow one, so it gives you more of a glow and kind of shimmer over your face. So I'm just gonna go, I don't know if you can see it, but it's okay. So now that that is all over my face, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder, and this is beige. Sorry, it's not translucent. Sorry, it's not translucent, it's beige. And then I'm just going to bake real fast underneath my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, so while I'm baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. I mean, not my contour, my bronzer. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs. And then I'm probably gonna put blush on, and then we can try all of the face illuminators and the lip liners. I think that's what they are. We'll see. so now that we're done with my bronzer and my blush, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the illuminators. So I got 4 of them. We got Indiscretion. Oh, this one's a Matte Radiance Baked Powder. And then Addiction, which this is an illuminator. Then the next illuminator is Devotion. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Matte Radiance Baked Powder first and see what this is. This is a baked powder, and these are the illuminators. So look how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the baked powder. Let's see. I'm probably gonna put it like up here. I'm gonna get that, and I'm just, oh shoot. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the high points of my eyebrows. That was quick. Okay. So it's like not a highlight, but it's kind of like a matte, but it's like it gives you like a glow, but it's not like a highlight. You know what I mean? So, oh, I think this is pretty. Okay, so that is the baked powder. This is Indiscretion. This is Addiction. It's more golden. This one's more pinkish, like pearl. This one's Devotion. You can't really tell, but I really like the first one because it's like in between. It's like a bronzy type of color rather than gold or pearl. So I'm gonna use Indiscretion. Now I'm gonna add it to my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm gonna do my lower lashes, and then we're gonna move on to the lips. So we added the lower lashes, and now I'm going to, I have 2 lip thing. I don't know what they are. Oh, this is eye color. I thought they were, ooh, there's this one. It's kind of like a pearl color. And then this one's more golden. They're pretty. I kind of like the pinkish one. I'm gonna add it to my inner corner of my eye. Just a little bit, and rub it in with my pinky. There we go. So this is the final look, and I think it's really cute, really glowy. That's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much Laura Mercier for sending me some of your products. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some video ideas that you guys would like to see on my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.